APMP BOK, and how is it going to help me to pass the APMP Foundation certification. APMP BOK, or the body of knowledge, is the collateral of best practices that you can utilize straight when you become a member of APMP. So the cost-effective way of taking your exam is, once you become a member, use the BOK, prepare for the exam, and you can take the certification. But it doesn't come with sample papers, so you only have like very few. But a foundation guide is the distilled version of the BOK. That's $59. You could get it from the APMP store, that you could use it to pass reading material to pass the exam. And the APMP Foundation guide can also be taken to the exam hall, even if you're taking an online exam, as a reference material, because this is an open book exam. So APMP BOK and APMP Foundation guide. At Baachu, if you take course with us, we do have our own proposal guide, which is 350 pages, which is based on the foundation guide that you can also utilize during the exam.